now start recording whatever lesson that I wanted to give, and it's recording up there. So now I can do my lesson and talk about a couple of plants in Spanish and whatever I might want to do, and it's recording. Another cool thing that you can do for your lesson is you can do a share screen here, and when you go to share screen, you can do Whiteboard right here and click share. Okay, so now I have this awesome whiteboard. I can draw using different types of lines, free for all or whatever, and I can put shapes, I can do text, I can type things. I don't know about in terms of like Spanish, I don't have the keyboard there to make sure that I type things in Spanish correctly, but in any event, I could share this whiteboard and do so many things with students, and it's still being recorded right now, as you can see at the top of my screen. Even though I'm in share screen. So again, another cool way you could kind of teach or do things that you wanted to do. And that's with my whiteboard in share screen mode. Now I'm out of my share screen mode, but another thing that I could do if I wanted to do this would be I could use a lesson, let me get to my right screen, in Seesaw. This is one thing that we talked about, and we can do this together so that you have a connection to it. I totally get that. So you could be logged into Seesaw as your specials, for example. And let's pretend that you wanted to do an activity, Spanish-speaking country. Ooh, very cool. I love this. Anyways, so you could click on this. If you did this as a lesson, you could do this as an actual lesson if you'd like to. Let me see if you assigned a sample student. Yeah. So you could sign as a sample student and actually give a lesson doing the Spanish-speaking country work, which I really think is kind of cool too. So you could pretend to be the student and actually do this work live as a lesson being recorded through your share screen. So how would you do that? So remember, I'm still in my Zoom meeting, so I would click, I'm still recording, you can see that, and I'll send you this recording, but you could still do a share screen. This time instead of whiteboard, I'm gonna share my desktop, but you can see right here that I have Seesaw as a screen that I might wanna share, so that's what I am gonna share. So now this is my share screen on my video, and I'm able to do my work live as a lesson with students. So you could use Seesaw's activities as a live lesson to do with your students. And I'm still up in the corner teaching, so the students are still watching me and my screen as part of that. So these are just a couple of upfront ideas. All right.